Folks, I'm Terry Jackson. I'm the judge of the court. This is the 2nd of November, 2023. This is an indigency docket. These proceedings are being live streamed on YouTube in order to comply with the law that requires this to be a public hearing. Folks, we're going to call your name one at a time and we can talk about your case. First being Priscilla Pral.
Hello.
Ma'am, I'm Terry Jackson, the judge of the court. Be glad to talk with you about your case. Hours. Okay. How can we help you on your case, your cases?
Okay, I was trying to do the indigent, the indigent program.
Okay.
I'm not working right now, and my doctor did sign off on a temporary disability form because of my back problems I'm having. I had a hysterectomy back July 4th or something. That's why this court date was set off, because of my doctor. But I don't know. I'm not working, so I'm just trying to find out if I can do a indigent program.
Yes, ma'am. So you had hysterectomy and back surgery?
I didn't have back surgery. The thing was, after I had the hysterectomy and healed up, she wanted to look at my back, which she really didn't do much yet. She put me on some kind of back pain medicine to see if that'll help for now, okay, before she sends me for an MRI and things.
Okay. And what's your income?
I'm not working. I don't work.
How are you surviving?
I live with someone else. Like my thing is, where I live, I'm just like required to keep it clean and do the meals and everything like that for a place to stay.
Okay.
All right. Then I have free phone service through like Q-Link Wireless, so that's paid free because of, I was getting SNAP benefits as well, which okay, those are pending now because of some kind of paperwork. But
gotcha. I understand. Okay. How old are you?
I'm 43. Well, sorry, 44.
And you're going back to work at some point?
I want to. I have applied for just like a home health because I don't really have to stand much or anything. And I just haven't heard anything. I don't have any clients or anything. So
how would you resolve this case though? How would you do community service?
I'm able to move around and get around if I could do like community service hours or something. I just can't stand for long periods at a time.
Okay. All right.
Does that make sense?
I find you indigent and you have 143 hours of community service to do. You'll have to come up here, I believe, and get the list, sign the papers. We'll need you to do a dedicated amount per week of community service hours. How many community service hours could that be?
Per week, because I do come 3 days a week to help my mother because she's has dementia and things. Let's see. I'm not exactly sure right off.
I'm sorry. Well, I'm gonna set you. Listen, I'm gonna set you for 8 hours per week. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now we've got listings of places that are approved. They're nonprofits that are approved. So you'll need to get that list. The clerk can tell you if there's any other instructions that she needs to give you. She can tell you in a second, but 8 hours per week minimum. You can do more, but at least 8 hours of community service per week. If I'm looking at this, that's going to take you a few months to take care of that. But if you'll be consistent, then that's a way to get this resolved, and it's a good opportunity. If you fail to do so, if you just simply don't comply, well then, even though you're indigent, you failed to comply, and there can be a warrant that can be issued. We don't want that. You don't want that. I don't want that. Nobody wants that. So do those community service hours, and this will take care of your case. And lots of good places that you can do community service for. Okay, you'll need to get that routinely every week. You'll need to get it verified, and you'll get that back to us. But when can you come in and pick up the paperwork?
I can come in Monday to get the paperwork, because I don't know if I've even made the change yet with the courts, but I need to change my address, I think. I moved to Kilgore area, right outside of Longview. So it's, I can come back Monday, though, to Longview to get the paperwork.
Can you give us your address now?
Yes, it's one.
Hold on just a second. In fact, just wait until you come in if you're coming in Monday, okay? We'll just get that from you then, okay? And so you'll pick up that paperwork on Monday, and you'll have it back to us by Friday. Is that okay? Friday the 10th?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right. And then you'll start your hours the following week. All right.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. This is a good opportunity for you. So I'm happy that it'll help you out, and take advantage of that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Can you mute me, please? The next person is Nias Gomez.
Yes, sir. That's me.
Hi, sir.
Hello. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Okay. Looks like that you have an expired driver's license, maybe?
Yeah, they got me for an expired driver's license. I haven't been able to take care of it. I was going through. I was actually working in Longview at the steel mill at the time. But then I was involved in an accident. Um, I've had 13 surgeries. I was in a coma for 6 days. I'm barely able to stand right now. I'm homebound, so I'm not able to. I'm not able to really walk, and I'm in a wheelchair. I almost died.
There's no way you could do community service, is there?
Yeah, no. Like I say, I was in a coma. I can't. I'm in a wheelchair right now. I'm not able to walk. Um, I had 13 surgeries. I think I'm gonna have two more surgeries. Um, my whole stomach is just a big piece of meat. I don't know. It's been tough, Your Honor. I'm not gonna lie. If I could, I would go. But I'm not. I'm just not able to go at the moment. I don't know how we can resolve this matter. I don't have any money either. Because I was working there at the steel mill. I don't know if you heard about it. They closed it down. They actually closed it down. The Nucor. I was working there at the Nucor steel mill. They closed that down. I got into my wreck, and I don't have any money. Right now I'm living at my mom's house, but I don't have a job. I don't have any money. So it's been pretty tough for me. I don't know how we can resolve this.
You don't have any disability income or anything like that?
I'm barely gonna go apply for it, but I literally can't walk. So um I can't get into the office. I barely did it online. So it's gonna take 2 weeks for them to get back to me. But it's literally hard for me to stand. I can barely go to the restroom. It was a pretty brutal injury that I was in. Like I said, I was in a coma and I'm not really able to do that. And I got memory loss. Oh man, all sorts of things.
All right, hold on just a second, sir, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Gomez?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to come back to you in just a few minutes. I'm going to go on with the docket. I'll come back to your case in just a minute, okay? We're
Okay.
checking on something. We'll get right back with you, okay?
Okay, so you want me to just sit tight?
I want you to sit tight. Don't hang up. Just sit tight and we'll get right back with you, okay?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Dcoin Martin?
Hello.
Dcoin Martin, I'm Terry Jackson. I'm the presiding judge. Looks like you've got a case or some cases that you've submitted a request to find you indigent. We'll be glad to talk with you about that.
Yes, sir. I filled it out and things like that, but I have cancer, and most of my money is going to like chemo, my appointments. I have EKGs and bone scans and things like that. Have no insurance, and I've been working on trying to get disability. I appealed it 3 different times, so I'm just still trying to work on that. So it's just been kind of
Have you
challenging for that.
have you provided us any verification of that?
Um, no, sir, I haven't, but I can if y'all would like something. I actually go to Texas Oncology on 4th Street in Longview every couple months, but if y'all need something, I'd be glad to give y'all anything.
Okay. If you could get us something, that would be good. What's your income now? What are you still working?
Yes, sir. I do home health as of right now. So it's a little bit easier on me as far as my health and things like that. But yes, sir. Just home health as of now.
So you are working at this time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you want to do on these? Do you want me to allow you some time and maybe a lower payment? Do you want
Yeah,
to pay these out, or do you want to do something different?
yeah, I wanted to pay it out, but if you could like lower it for me, that would be great. That way I'll start making my payments and things like that.
How much had you been paid?
It was 50.
$50 a month or 50
Yeah,
every 2 weeks? Or
it was 50 a month.
okay. We're going to give you a little break. We're going to not start it until after the holidays. So we're going to go to January the 2nd,
Okay, yes, sir.
and we're going to make that 25 a month, if that'll help you out, because it may be easier for you to try to do that
Yes, sir.
than to do community service, because it
Hmm.
sounds like you're probably not in a position to do that right.
Yeah, yes, sir. Because yes, sir. I've had surgery um about a year ago, and just still trying to cope with that, and um But yes, sir, that would be great if you could do that for me.
Okay, we'll do that. So January the 2nd, $25 a month. If your condition deteriorates, you're not able to work, not able to do anything like that, we'll get back on the docket and we'll meet with you in person. Okay.
Okay, yes, sir. I really appreciate it.
Good luck to you, Mr. Martin.
All right, thank you. You have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye.
Crystal Stewart.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Crystal Stewart, I'm Terry Jackson. I'm the presiding judge. How can we help you on your cases?
I am trying to see if I can get a very low payment plan to help get this sorted out, or I'm willing to do customer service, I'm sorry, community service, as long as I'm able to do something that's more of a weekend thing. I am currently a stay-at-home mom. We're not able to afford childcare for me to get back to work. And I'm home with my 16-month-old throughout the week by myself every day until roughly 6 p.m. at night. So I'm willing to do community service if that's what it comes to, or we're willing to do a payment plan if possible, but for honestly as low as possible, because we're struggling right now to make ends meet. We've got multiple bills that we keep having to do a payment arrangement on or push them back. We can't make ends meet. We're trying to crawl out of this financial hole that we've been stuck in since I gave birth.
Okay. Tell me what you want to do. Do you want us to maybe get you through the holidays and get you on a payment plan that's get you started on one that's something you can do, or what do you want to do?
I feel like if we can do a low payment plan, that would be
Okay.
the better route, because it's too hard for me to get childcare, especially throughout the week. Everybody I know and trust to watch my child is working throughout the week. Other than my mom, she's home right now from having surgery. She just had a breast cancer mass removed. So she's obviously unable to pick up the child and take care of her right now.
Okay. I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry about your mom. Here's what I can suggest. You tell me if this will work for you. What we'll do is starting January the 2nd, get you through the holidays, get you a chance to get back on your feet. That gives you, correct me if I'm wrong, but it seems like about 2 months. And
Yes,
get
sir.
you through the holidays, and y'all can utilize all the time you can during there to get back on your feet. And then we'll start out with $25 a month. Now, Miss Stewart, you can certainly, you may get to income tax time, or you may hit the lottery. I don't know, but you can, whatever happens, you can then pay more if you can. But we'll start you out at $25 a month on a payment plan. Okay.
Okay. That starting January 2nd, like you made a good point, that gives us time to try to get up on our feet again. That would be good. It'd be a lot easier than trying to find childcare right now.
Okay. Well, it does give you a couple of months to get things under control, and who knows, somebody may gift you with a whole bunch of money during Christmas or something.
Oh, that would be a
Big Christmas
Christmas
bonus.
miracle right there.
All right. Well, we'll hope for that for you. But so that we have an agreement, January 2nd, $25 a month. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. That's perfect.
Okay. Good luck to you. You may go.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you. Cameron Brady. I'm sorry, Cameron Brady Weaver.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cameron Weaver, looks like you have no insurance citation that you had made a request to be on the indigency docket about. How can we help you on that?
Yes, sir. I don't have a job right now because I don't have my ID. My ID got stolen, and I'm still trying to get it replaced. I'm currently living with my partner. He takes care of the bills and all that. And I would have a job right now, but I can't get one without my ID. And we haven't been able to get the necessary documents required for me to be able to get my ID. And my license is now currently suspended because of it's my second citation for no insurance. But I'm currently able to do any kind of community service. I can put in as many hours as I need to or that's required. But right now, being able to pay for it, the ticket is kind of hard right now.
Okay. I don't think you're indigent, but I will allow you to do community service. Let's see. Hold on just a second. All right. That's going to give you 28 hours that you're going to need to do. Can you do 8 hours per week at minimum?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 28 hours, 8 hours per week. Come down, get somebody to bring you down here today or tomorrow, and by the end of the day tomorrow to sign up and get the information. They can show you what places are approved, and you can start your 8 hours. I'm not sure, but I think you could complete that within a month. When would you, if you get the packet by Friday, then or come down and sign up everything, we would have you then turning in your first 8 hours by the 13th of November.
Okay.
Okay. We have an agreement?
Yes, sir.
All right. We'll come in today or tomorrow then and sign the waiver and get the information of where you can go. Okay.
All righty. Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Mr. Gomez?
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay, Mr. Gomez, you seem to have an extraordinary situation. You're in a wheelchair. You can't get around. You don't have any money. You've been severely injured. Did I hear you say you'd had 13 surgeries?
Yes, sir, I did. And I actually sent that to the court.
Yes, sir.
My mother sent the whole packet of all my injuries.
Yes, sir. We've reviewed that. So that's one of the things that's been helpful, that we've been able to review that and see that you have a significant health problem. So what we're going to do is at this time, we're going to close your case. And
Okay.
that way you won't owe us any money. You won't have to do the community service. But let me say this, don't, I know you've got the health condition, and that seems very sincere. But you may get better tomorrow, and you may be out and about, in the days, weeks, or months to come. Don't get any more violations. This is kind of a one-time shot that we're going to help you. Don't get out and get any more violations. It'll be different then if you do. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I thank you so much, Your Honor. Thank you for that.
Okay, but we're closing this case.
All right, Your Honor. Thank you so much for your help.
Good luck to you, sir. Goodbye.
You too. Bye-bye.